Hey peeps, it's me, Kay. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're already a subscriber. So I want to do a really quick video, a very small Dollar Tree haul, and kind of share with you what I'm putting together for my swap partner um, from the December Daily Inspiration Facebook group. I don't think that's the full name of the group. I've been in this group for years, but I can never remember the whole name. Anyway, I'll link it down below. It's too late for this swap, but they have other swaps going on throughout the whole few months up until December. So this swap is a Advent swap, which I think was such a great idea. So the idea is to take things from your stash that maybe you have a lot of, or something maybe you're not into anymore, and share it with your swap partner. So yes, I'm doing that, but I also wanted to add some things you can kind of do while you're working on your December daily. So I'm going to talk about that in a minute. So what I've done so far, I got these from, let me show you this. I got this from Dollar Tree today. I did not think I was going to find these cards, but I did. So one of them is going to be for my swap partner. I didn't know what she liked, but I figured, can't go wrong with Charlie Brown Christmas. So one of these are mine, and then I bought myself the Elf one because I love these two movies. I always got to watch during Christmas. So these are mine, and I'm going to send this to her. I found these are so cute. I've never had them. I have no idea. It sounds good. So Rudolph, the Red-Nosed Reindeer snack mix, and it has peanut butter filled, I guess those are cookies or candy. I have no idea. It has pretzels and peanuts, but the packaging is what got me. Let me show you the packaging. Hopefully you can see it without the glare. I was like, that's so cute. I could not find the mini Hershey's. I went to Dollar Tree and then I had to go to Walgreens anyway. They didn't have them either. So I got the big one. And then I got spoons because I did hot chocolate packets. So I'm going to take, oh no, these are the wrong ones. These are not the individual ones. Oh, you kidding me? Are these the individually wrapped ones? Oh, I'll have to look and see. Otherwise, I think I could just cut it. Man. I know last year I got the individual wrapped ones. Anyway. And then I found this. I thought this would be so cute. Little word search. And then I got some fuzzy Christmas socks. They didn't have a lot. They were just putting stuff out. So I like these the best. So I've got these. So what I'm going to do is I'm making like one of the days is going to be like a self-care type package. And then the other one is going to be like, Christmas movie night package. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you what I got going on so far. So I made these pockets, and I just put this here because I realized I had this little die cut. I didn't want to glue it on because she could use it in her December daily. So I made these little pockets, and here's the hot chocolate. And then I have this little stamp of this little girl with her little cup. And so I put that in there. And then I'm going to put one of these spoons in there. Now, I also made, let me just show you the things I made, and then I will show you. Well, I can't show you everything because most of it I wrapped up already. But I made these lip balm holders. These are not going to be for her. This is going to be for my pen pal. So if you guys don't know, I'm an Avon lady. And one year we had an incentive where we got like 100 lip balms. And I won that incentive like 3 times. So I had so many lip balms. So I made 4 of these. I'm going to send these to my pen pal. So I got these. Actually was just using these to see if it fit. So I already have hers that I already wrapped up. And then I use these little mini tags and my stamp. And I already added these in here. So that's day 3 for her. I'll just show you. This is, I think these are fabric ruffles and fabric paper clips. And then these are just things from my stash. Number 10, more stuff. Either this is like stuff I made because I made like the ephemera clusters, and I also made the things like from the catalogs that I showed you guys. So some of those are that. This is some paper. I don't know what this is. This might be more stuff from my stash. I don't remember. I don't remember what this is either. So there's that one. And then there's this one. One of these have like die cuts and stuff in it. So this is those I've already wrapped up. And then number 6 is going to be either the movie night or number 6 and number 12. One is going to be the movie night and one is going to be the self-care. I also made these. This is going to be number 11. That's why I have the 11. I made these mini journals. So I've made these before. I used to make these for my shop, or like when I first started my Etsy shop. They're really easy. I do have a tutorial. It's a paid tutorial. It's on my coffee shop. I think it's like $1 or $3 or something like that. I don't remember. I've had it there for a long time and I always forget about it. But so it's just a cute little journal. You can use it like to put, if you have a busy Christmas season, you can write down little things. So yeah, that's what this one looks like. I don't make these for my shop anymore because it's like with the fees, it's not even worth it. And then I put my business card in there and then a couple of little tags in there. So this is made out of a file folder and it's really easy. It's just, I don't even know how I end up making this up, but I was just folding a file folder and I came up with this idea. So if you're interested, you can check out my tutorial. I'll try to remember to link it down below, but it's really simple. I don't want to take up too much time. So let me put this. So I think this is the one I'm going to send her. I made another one for my pen pal. I'll just show you that one. This one is more vintage. Yeah, because I'm not sure that my swap partner is into vintage. And I'm not sure what my pen pal likes because she yeah, so this one is more, vintage. And so if you have like 6x6 paper pads, this is like perfect for these little journals. Is usually what I use, and I put my business card in that one. So that one is really simple. Yeah, maybe one day I'll add them back, but I'll probably do like a set of like 4 or something because it's not worth it with the Etsy fees to put one of these in the shop like I used to, because at that time it wasn't that expensive. And then I made these. I'm going to try to remember to link the tutorials that I followed to make all these little things. I wanted to make all kinds of things, but I have to keep it pretty flat so that I can put everything in a flat rate envelope. So I made these. I made these initially to put mini chocolates in, but I couldn't find the mini chocolates. So what I end up doing, so this has an opening. You can kind of put something in the back. I just wrote, enjoy a self-care day. And I put K, and then I just added the tag there, but you can put anything back there. I used the Velcro. I think she used ribbon. So because I'm an Avon lady, I put some Avon samples in here because I didn't know what else to put in here, and I already made it. So this is Green Goddess, which is actually excellent, but we don't sell it anymore, which is so sad. And then this is like moisturizer and stuff like that. So yeah. And then this is a perfume sample. We've sold this for years, far away, and it smells so good. It still smells good. So that's what I got to fit in there. So I made that one, and this one I made for the same reason, but I didn't put the flap on this one. I just made it. So I don't know what I'm going to put in here. Maybe I'll put some Avon samples in here and send this one to my pen pal since I have no other use for this one. So that's that. So, oh, let me just show you the last thing that I made her was a bangle for her December daily, if she wants to use it for her December daily. If not, she can use it for whatever. So I made a seed bangle for her, and I left it long in case she wanted to add something. So that's what that looks like. I did traditional colors because, like me, she likes traditional colors. So this is going to be day one. So I've already put the one in there. I'm going to wrap all this up really pretty. I just wanted to show you what I'm thinking. So I made this. This is just a policy. You know, I've made these before, so I didn't have to use a tutorial, but I made it so it can fit because I'm going to do the self-care day. Avon, unfortunately, doesn't sell these anymore, but I had them, and I was like, oh, this is why I got the self-care day. So I'm thinking maybe the red because, you know, it's Christmas. So we have honey, red ginger. Do I have anything green? Oh, aloe. We can do those. So I can do that. And they also had this hand mask. So I was like, you know what? Why not? We don't sell these anymore, but I was like, you know what? If she can't use them, she can pass them on to somebody else. So I thought this would be great for a self-care day. So I was thinking, put that in there. I purposely made it to fit all that. So it fits very nicely. What happened to my string? I lost it. I don't know what I did with my string, but I will put pictures. Oh, here it goes. I was going to say, I can put pictures after I wrap everything up. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll put pictures at the end. And then this is for the movie night day. I was thinking popcorn, of course, hot chocolate, and I was thinking this little snack mix here. So I was thinking I had these in my stash, so I put them in here, and then I'll put one of the spoons in there, and maybe put them in here, I think, in this little bag. I've had this bag from last year. I don't know if Dollar Tree still sells these, but I had this from last year. So, and I never used it. So I'm going to maybe put that in there and then I was thinking about, and this idea I got from one of the ladies who does craft fairs. Hers came out a lot cuter. She had a bigger bag, but I didn't have a bigger bag. So I'm just going to put the socks and the candy in here. Should I put something else in here? I don't think so. I think that's fine the way it is. So I didn't really need it to be this long. So I think I'm going to cut it. And yeah, because this is going to be for the self-care day. So this is going to be with this. And, oh, self-care. Oh, this. That's right. That's why. And that. Okay. So this is for the self-care day. That's going to be either, oh no, day 12. And then day 6 is going to be the movie. Okay. I think that's it. I think that's all I wanted to show you guys. All right. So what I'll do is I will add photos at the end so you can see how I packaged it up. And that's it. So just wanted to give you some ideas in case you have a swap coming up, or you want to ideas for whatever craft fair or Secret Santa or whatever you want to do, or stocking stuffers. Yeah, so I will try to remember to put all the links to the tutorials that I followed down in the description box below. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till next time, bye. Wait, you guys, I forgot to show you what the cards look like. Duh. So I'm going to open up mine so I don't get her box all bent up because I just ripped mine. So I'm just going to show, I won't show them all, but just so you can get an idea what they look like, in case you haven't seen everybody hauling these. Oh, so cute. I haven't even looked at them yet. So cute. I love that they all are different. Oh, I love it so much. Anyway, so that's that one, and you get the idea, because we'll be here forever, you guys. And I don't want this video to be too long. Okay. Let's get the elf ones out. Oh my goodness. I can't get them out. I have no nails left. Okay. They all have him on the front with different poses. That is so funny. Do they have the snowball one? Oh my goodness, I love that one. Santa. Cute. All right, so that's the elf one. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, please, and comment down below. Bye.